Did you hear me just order one orange juice in Spanish? It's official. I'm Spanish. I need to get my Spanish passport. Yeah. So guys, I have picked up the camera again because we've just gone and done our COVID test, which is thankfully negative for us to be able to head back to London. So this is kind of my final heading back to London type vlog. But we're gonna have breakfast by this Amanicacy here, and I hear that this is a local Spanish delight called churrera, which I am going to try with some fresh orange juice. Who's gonna order for us? Or are we just gonna do, are we gonna do the point out what you need? That's the best form of communication. Okay, Miss Spanish, are you gonna order for me, please? Can I order orange juice as well?
Yeah, you can just order.
What do I say? Zumo de
Naranja.
Zumo de naranja.
Yeah.
Uno. Check me out. Check me out. Zumo de naranja. Uno.
Zumo de naranja. Uno.
Zumo de naranja. Uno. Zumo de naranja. Uno. Zumo de naranja. Uno. Did you hear that? Oh, it's a bit dark. Did you hear me just order one orange juice in Spanish? Zumo de naranja. Uno. It's official. I'm Spanish. I need to get my Spanish passport. Yeah. Oh, outfit of the day is a combination of all the outfits that you already know. This top, this paperback shorts, my camera bag, me, no earrings, no jewelry, because we're going to the beach and people are just staring at me as I'm talking because I look funny because I'm vlogging. This is what I get to do for you guys. Thank you. Okay. They must think I'm mad right now. Plus, I'm mad and I'm black. Did I just say that to the camera? Yeah, they must think I'm mad. Ooh, look at the fresh churrera. Whoa, it looks good. It looks very good. Okay. You know when you have a camera and you're talking to the camera, people half think you're mad.
That's just you.
Yeah, I've been getting the look, so.
Yeah, I could never do that in public.
And then I have a lady smiling there like, go girl, go girl. So I'm like, yeah, we're together. You wanna come to my vlog? Okay. This is what I get to do for you guys. Like, for you, this is what I get to do. So like, subscribe, share to your friends, your enemies, your dog, your cat, your neighbors you don't even like, and your boss who you want to kill. Okay?
It looks like Nikichita but rolled out.
Yes, that's the thing. I think that's the...
I would know when I taste it because I don't even know what to compare it with right now. Okay, let's not put too much sugar. Oh. Gotcha. Okay. I don't know what to compare it with from a Nigerian perspective.
If you have the chocolate, it's a little cup, and then you
Drip it. Definitely not much sugar. Too sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
You know what you need for the zahar? For this.
I hope you're making notes so you don't say I don't eat. This is food.
Yes, now yes.
Exactly. Exactly. Go on guys, you're staring at the thing. It's not just
I
me.
had some. I already had one.
Now you're sounding like me.
No, eat first.
It depends. I might forget to eat until like midday.
Yeah. Oh, so angry. You're hungry.
Really? This is so pretty. Like, wow. I cannot believe this.
The whole.
Like, honestly, like, look at the holes in the wall. Like, this is a proper. Like, you must love. Alright guys, it's been a full day at the beach. There was no point filming that because you've seen the beach. You watched my video on kayaking, didn't you? If you did, leave a comment, just type kayaking in the comment section. And now we're going for dinner at this place called, let's see, you can't see it because I can't either, but anyway, it's got a beautiful view and we've booked the table for 6:30. I am starving, like starving. I'm gonna be having dinner sat here and looking there. How cool is that? Like, how cool is cool? Okay.
Avocado.
It tastes different. I don't know if it's the avocado that makes it taste different. But the olive oil definitely.
No, the olive oil.
Ooh, yeah. Thank you. This is good.
Oh, the chips is gorgeous. You must try it. It's
No, do you know the chips that I like? The chips that I liked were the potato ones your mom fried. Oh,
the real one.
those were divine.
Look at it. I don't really like potatoes. I told you, other than mine. But they have to be warm. And when they're cold, they're not nice.
Why would chips be this nice?
Oh, it's a real one. It's not from the frozen one.
So they sliced it and all of that. Holy Christ. You don't want your oysters? Your it's not oyster, I'm trying mussels, yeah. Oh my, just chips at the bottom. Ooh, no.
No, it's really nice. We really like that. We always come. This is the third time we have it here. Yeah.
Ah. I don't know what I like most.
Oh, this is nice as well. Calamari. Really?
Guys, it's slowly coming to the end of my 72 hours of coming to Spain to charge my phone. I hope you have enjoyed this adventure with me because there's no electricity in London. Look, that's where the electricity, that's the recharging. Oh, you can't even see. Oh, there you go. See, that's what's been recharging my phone because there's no electricity in London. And for 72 hours I've come to charge my phone. Oh, I had a disaster with my flip-flops. You know, the Hunter ones? They broke yesterday. £15 gone down the drain. I need my money back. I need a refund. Now you're wondering which cave I am walking up. It's a flight of stairs. And you saw that dinner? I'm very full. But anyway, I thought it would be nice to close the vlog in this cave and tell you what you're going to see as the final part of our time together in Malaga, south of Spain. So I'm actually going to close this vlog with an apartment tour. So the beautiful apartment that I've been staying at, I'm going to do a tour and you guys are going to see. Are you going to rest?
You guys need to go.
No, but yeah. No, yesterday when I did it, I didn't actually rest. So she's making me tired. We have to blame it on someone. Come on, come on. Let me catch my breath. Where were we? We're closing the vlog, right? I can't remember what I've told you and what I haven't. But anyway, you're going to see an apartment tour so that if you want to live my life, you will have all the information in the next video. And this is where we're coming to the end. Should we sing the song together? Although we've come to the end of the road. Finish the song in the comment section. Okay guys, we're finished resting and I'm gonna be heading home to finish this book that I'm reading, check in and pack my bags, because even if I wanted to stay I couldn't because my COVID test is negative, which is an indication to go back to my house before it's too late. So wisdom says pack your bags, Vivian, and be going home. So thank you for watching all of my Malaga travel diaries. I hope you've enjoyed it, but make sure you watch the apartment tour, which is after this video, and leave comments in all of the travel diaries and tell me which is your favorite in this one. Okay, I'll catch you later. Bye bye.